Okay, first definition. This is the difficulties in acquiring and using, listening, speaking, reading, writing, reasoning, or mathematical abilities. Paunanay ha, paunanay na. Hoy, guys.
Hoy, arrange mo, maestre.
Mag-arrange mo.
Arrange na, okay.
Mas better good if gunitan ninyo
Oh, gunitan ang letter. Kaya mo ba yun? Oh, gunitan. Ano ganun?
Next one. Magaling na ayaw mag-uot nila.
Boxing na lang na eh. Ayaw mo pag-uot, okay, again. Another one.
Okay, next. Okay. Sorry. Paminaw. Listen. This disability refers to limitations in blank functioning and problems, as indicated by difficulties in learning and problems with adaptive skills.
Yes.
Instructions are in present.
Wala na appeal kaya instruction ba yan? Panglinya mo. Gani isa-isa.
Yeah. So let's have another one.
Now we see,